English for real life. The story is silence is hard but it works. Leo, a 17-year-old, felt like he couldn't focus on anything. He was always on his phone. And his mind was filled with scattered thoughts. Messages. Notifications. Endless worries. His thoughts were spinning like a storm. Until silence changed everything. One day, his mom signed him up for a one-day focus workshop. He expected a boring session. But when he entered, he saw a sign on the wall. Only 30 minutes of silence here. But silence is harder than running uphill. The instructor approached him. You want to learn focus? No? That's fine. Just stay for 30 minutes. I don't promise a miracle. But you might see something. He started the timer. Leo sat down. The first minute passed easily. But at minute 5, his mind began racing. Messages. Games. Things he needed to do. The instructor walked near him and said quietly, "You're not supposed to silence your mind. You're just not supposed to run away from it." Leo took a deep breath. At minute 10, the thoughts got louder. At minute 15, he felt restless. But at minute 25, something changed. His mind softened. His breathing steadied. And for the first time in months, he felt real silence. When the timer beeped, the instructor smiled. See? The world will always stay loud. What matters is whether you can find a quiet spot inside it. Leo realized that focus wasn't a gift. It was a muscle. And if he practiced even a few minutes a day, he could take control of his thoughts again. Since that day, he practiced 5 minutes of silence every night. His schoolwork improved, anxiety lessened. And even in noisy places, he felt more grounded. Sometimes the quietest moments create the strongest growth.